What's up guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we are checking out the full door seal kit fitting all 1997 through 2006 TJ Wranglers with full steel doors. Now if you've noticed that your door seals are a bit worse for wear and they're not functioning as they should, this driver and passenger kit will be a great solution. Now this will be a great solution for the TJ owner who's experiencing any rattling, harsh closing, and the elements getting in the cab and wants a quality OE style replacement to refresh their Jeep. Now TJs show their age in places that we really don't anticipate maintenancing over time, and one of those is in the seals. Now the door seal over time just gets squished down and flattened, and when that happens, water, wind, dust, really whatever else can get into the cab through the channel in the door, and you won't have as much cushion as you did before when closing it. This will fully surround the door, clipping into the factory locations for a very snug fit to provide some cushion in between the door and the door frame to soften the blow when you close it so you don't feel like you're slamming your door every single time. Now again, these will also fill the entire space in between the doors and prevent any moisture from coming in, so all around this is going to be a great solution to just bringing back a lot of life to the seal on both of your doors. These will both be made of a quality rubber material, very similar to the OE door seals, so you can expect factory-like quality out of these. Now throughout the seal, this is going to have pre-installed plastic clips. These are what's going to mount this to the factory locations in the door, making for a very straightforward install. And for each of them, they also come with a couple extra so you can ensure that you have some backup if you break one. This kit will come in at about $150, and for what it is, I think that that's definitely a fair price. Now you are getting both seals out of this kit for full door, so you're getting all the material that you need to seal the door in addition to a complete factory-like construction, so it's not going to leave you questioning when it comes to replacement. Now some other options may not come in a full kit with both the driver and passenger, just one side or the other, making this a great choice if you want an all-around refresh to your TJ. Install here will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should only take you about an hour to get your old seals off, get all of those clips out of there, and get both of these installed. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers here has put these on their TJ and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step, so that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Tools needed for today's installation are this plastic trim puller to get those plastic rivets off the old seal, a set of pliers if you don't have this tool, and a set of wire cutters just in case to get the old ones that are finicky out. We're most likely going to be needing this one. Alright, today we're installing new door seals for a full set of doors for a TJ. This is 2006, but this application works for a 97 to 2006. What we're going to first do is we're going to pull off the old door. You're going to remove your door strap. Get the ones over here. Pull it off. Then we're going to take our trim puller. We're just going to go in, take off the old plastic rivets or grommets. Tricky. There's about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the bottom here we're going to get. We got some tricky ones here, so we're going to take the pliers, just pull them right out. Door leaf full open. All right, now that we removed all the old grommets, we're gonna go ahead. Now that we removed all the old grommets, we're gonna take our new seal. This is the driver's side. The driver's side has the rubber seal facing this way and all the rivets facing the inside. So we're going to line this up. I'm going to put the first rivet in the hole right here. What you're going to do is you're going to just push it in. I'm going to take the lip of the seal and put it inside the door. Push it in. Now that's lined up. Take the first rivet. Just snap each rivet in hole. Closer view for you is that when you install it, you gotta put that lip in here. Use the tool to push it in. This one's giving me a little bit of an issue. There you have it. There is the new door seal.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the full door seal kit fitting all 1997 through 2006 TJ Wranglers with the full steel doors, and you can find these right here at extremeterrain.com.